Hello all, welcome to Beginner's Biology. In this video, let's discuss about cancer stem cells and their characteristics and the proposed models along with how to identify and detect cancer stem cells and future research on cancer stem cells. Cancer stem cells are cancer cells that are found within the cancer population of tumors and are biologically distinct from other subpopulations. The University of Michigan scientists discovered first cancer stem cells in solid tumors of breast cancer. Since then, cancer stem cells have been identified in brain, colon, pancreas, lung, etc. Anyway, work is ongoing to identify stem cells in other tumor subtypes also. Anyway, the cancer stem cells have features such as ability to self-renew and differentiate into defined progenies. Tumors also contain a small number of cancer stem cells of less than 0.1%. Due to their ability to self-renew, they are suggested to be responsible for drug resistance, radioresistance, and cancer relapse. The different tumor propagation models due to tumor heterogeneity have been suggested to demonstrate the occurrence of cancer stem cells. The stem cell theory of cancer model proposes that among all cancerous cells, a few act as a stem cell that reproduce themselves and sustain the cancer, much like normal stem cells that normally renew and sustain in our organs. The next one is the stochastic model or the clonal evolution model. Proposes that a distinct population of tumor cells acquire the appropriate set of somatic mutations due to the exposure to various environmental factors and they develop metastatic capability. However, the existence of cancer stem cells is still under debate. Confounding this debate, research on cancer stem cells has found that many cells exhibit phenotypic plasticity under therapeutic challenges, like when chemotherapy and radiotherapy is given. The cancer stem cells alter their transcriptome to escape the destruction by these chemotherapy and radiotherapeutics. The identification and detection of cancer stem cells is an important goal to achieve in vitro and in vivo research objectives and development of diagnosis and therapeutic methodologies with which to classify and cure cancer. The cancer stem cells can be identified and isolated by means of four main methodologies. The first one includes the isolation of cancer stem cells by flow cytometry according to cancer stem cell specific cell surface markers. The next one includes the ability to grow floating spheres in serum-free media. Due to the ability of the cancer cells to propagate clonally to form spheres, this identification method is mostly used in vivo and in vitro research. The next one is the ALDH activity. It is important for maintenance and differentiation of cancer stem cells. Expanding evidence suggests that ALDH expression increases in response to therapy and promote chemo and radio resistance in cancers. The last one is the detection of site population phenotype by Hodge staining. Now, let's see the interaction of cancer stem cells with the surrounding tumor microenvironment. The cancer stem cells for their survival interact with surrounding tumor environment and the cellular and the molecular components of the tumor microenvironment sustain the signaling pathways and support the self-renewal ability and dormancy and reactivation of the cancer stem cells. The cancer stem cells maintain dormant state to survive and consequently the metastasis can be latent for years. The conventional chemotherapeutic treatments such as taxanes kill differentiated or well-differentiated cells and these cells form bulk of the tumor but cannot generate new cells. Anyway, as I have said earlier that cancer stem cells may remain dormant, they remain untouched even after the treatment. So therefore, drugs that selectively target cancer stem cells offer a great promise. Now let's see the future studies on cancer stem cells aiming to improve overall outcomes in the fight against cancer. Recently performed experiments shed light on the targeting signaling of cancer stem cells to halt the growth and metastasis of the tumor. The research on combinational therapeutics offer a great advantage to combat cancer. Research is highly focused on using immunocheckpoint inhibitors as one of the combination strategy to destroy cancer stem cells. Apart from this, targeting cancer stem cells by delivering cancer stem cell vaccines derived from cancer stem cell antigens may also provide a promising strategy to combat cancer. However, the existing results from the cancer stem cell research is encouraging for tumor treatment but still need further effort before they enter clinical trials. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to Beginner's Biology, and if you like the video, hit the like button.